Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's get summarized. Today we're diving into the wonders of our neighboring galaxy, Andromeda. Get ready to be amazed by these 10 mind-blowing facts. Andromeda is a spiral galaxy, much like our own, a swirling city of stars, gas and dust, and it's the closest major galaxy to our own Milky Way. But don't let its familiar spiral shape fool you. Andromeda harbors secrets and wonders that will boggle your mind. From its colossal size and ancient light to its dramatic future, Andromeda offers a glimpse into the vastness and dynamism of our universe. So just how close is Andromeda? Light traveling at 186,000 miles per second takes 2.5 million years to reach us. That's 2.5 million light years away. On the cosmic scale, it's practically next door. If the Milky Way were a dinner plate, Andromeda would be a similar size plate a few meters away, close enough to exert a gravitational pull on each other, setting the stage for a cosmic dance over billions of years. Speaking of a cosmic dance, mark your calendars, folks, because in about 4.5 billion years, Andromeda and the Milky Way are scheduled for a head-on collision. Now, I know what you're thinking. Collision? That sounds catastrophic. But fear not, my friends, because galactic collisions are more like cosmic mergers. Instead of a violent crash, imagine a slow, graceful waltz as these two galaxies intertwine, their stars, gas and dust mingling over eons. This merger will reshape the local galactic landscape, creating a new, colossal galaxy that some astronomers have dubbed Milkomeda. For a long time, astronomers believed our Milky Way was the big kid on the block. But recent observations suggest Andromeda might just wear the cosmic crown. While it was once thought to be similar in size to the Milky Way, new studies indicate that Andromeda could be twice the diameter, spanning a whopping 220,000 light-years across. To give you a sense of scale, if our solar system were a grain of sand, the Milky Way would be like a football field. And Andromeda would dwarf that, stretching across several football fields. If you thought the Milky Way's billions of stars were impressive, hold on to your hats, because Andromeda takes stellar density to a whole new level. This galactic giant contains a mind-boggling 1 trillion stars. Imagine the diversity of stars within Andromeda, massive blue giants, red dwarfs, and everything in between. On a clear dark night, far from the city lights, look up at the constellation Andromeda, and you might see a faint fuzzy patch of light like a smudged star. That is the Andromeda Galaxy, the most distant object visible to the naked eye. Its light began its journey 2.5 million years ago. Think about that for a moment. Now, if that doesn't make you feel small and connected to the cosmos, I don't know what will. Like most, if not all, large galaxies, Andromeda harbors a supermassive black hole at its center. And when I say supermassive, I mean it. This behemoth is millions, perhaps even billions of times the mass of our sun. Don't worry though, while black holes have a reputation for being cosmic vacuum cleaners, they only consume matter that gets too close. Andromeda's supermassive black hole plays a crucial role in the galaxy's evolution, influencing the orbits of stars and the flow of gas and dust. Chapter 7, A Galactic Entourage, Andromeda's Satellite Galaxies. Andromeda isn't content with being a solo act, it's a cosmic social butterfly, surrounded by a retinue of smaller galaxies known as satellite galaxies. At least 14 of these dwarf galaxies have been identified orbiting Andromeda, each with its own unique story to tell. Among the most famous are M32 and M110, visible through telescopes as faint smudges of light near Andromeda's main disk. These satellite galaxies are constantly interacting with Andromeda, their gravity subtly shaping its structure and evolution. Chapter 8, A Glimpse into the Past, Andromeda's Ancient Light. When we look at Andromeda, we're seeing it as it was 2.5 million years ago. Light takes time to travel through space, showing us a snapshot of Andromeda's history. The light we see left Andromeda when our ancestors were becoming human. It's a humbling reminder of the immense scales of space and time. Chapter 9, A Mysterious Halo, Andromeda's Invisible Gas Cloud. Surrounding Andromeda is a vast, diffuse halo of gas that's invisible to optical telescopes. This halo, detected through its radio emissions, stretches over 1.3 million light-years across, potentially even brushing up against the Milky Way's own halo. The composition and origin of this halo are still being studied, but it likely contains remnants of past galactic mergers and outflows from Andromeda's stars. A galactic cannibal. Andromeda's appetite for smaller galaxies. Andromeda's beauty belies a somewhat sinister secret. It's a galactic cannibal, slowly devouring smaller galaxies that stray too close. Over billions of years, Andromeda has grown to its impressive size by absorbing countless dwarf galaxies, their stars and gas becoming part of its own. And in a few billion years, the Milky Way will join the feast, becoming another course in Andromeda's cosmic banquet. But don't worry, this galactic merger is a slow and gradual process unfolding over eons. Andromeda, a cosmic marvel, beckons. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Andromeda, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing space facts. See you next time. Andromeda is a constant reminder that our universe is a dynamic and ever-evolving place, full of wonders yet to be discovered. So, next time you gaze up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the celestial tapestry above, and remember that we are all connected to the cosmos in ways we are only beginning to understand.